I have a feeling you got everything you wanted, and here now wasting time, stuck here like me. You're just